Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're checking out a vacuum that promises to simplify your cleaning routine in a big way, the dreame D20 Plus robot vacuum and mop. This model stands out with a feature-packed design, boasting 13,000 PA suction power, a self-emptying dustbin, and a combo vacuum mop system. It's targeted toward busy families, pet owners, and anyone who wants to keep their home spotless without the usual hassle. Let's dive into the details and see if it lives up to the hype. The dreame D20 Plus is a robot vacuum that does more than just clean your floors. It also mops, making it a dual-function powerhouse. With 13,000 PA of suction, this vacuum has more than enough power to tackle everyday debris, dust, and pet hair, even on carpets and rugs. The real highlight, though, is its DuoBrush system. Designed specifically to combat long hair and pet fur, the DuoBrush ensures that you won't be constantly cleaning tangled rollers, which is a major convenience for pet owners. On top of the impressive suction and brush technology, the D20 Plus features a 5-liter dust bag for self-emptying, which is a game changer for convenience. Instead of having to empty the bin every few days, the vacuum automatically dumps its contents into the dust bag, and you don't have to touch any dirt. The self-emptying system can run for up to 150 days before you need to replace the dust bag, perfect for those who want to forget about vacuuming for months at a time. The vacuum also comes with some serious smarts, using LDS mapping technology to create precise maps of your home. It can set no-go zones, remember multi-floor layouts, and even adjust its cleaning path based on the room it's in. Whether you have a multi-story house or specific areas to avoid, this vacuum adapts to your needs. Plus, with 32 adjustable water levels, you can control how much moisture the mop applies to your floors, customizing it for different surfaces and cleaning needs. Another standout feature is its compatibility with voice and app control. You can link it to Alexa, Siri, or Google Home, meaning you can schedule or start a cleaning session simply by using your voice or through the app. No more bending down or pressing buttons, just tell it what to do. It's also worth noting that the D20 Plus operates on a 2.4 GHz network connection, so make sure your Wi-Fi is set up accordingly. In real-world testing, the dreame D20 Plus delivers a solid cleaning performance. On hard floors, it picks up fine dust and crumbs without any issues. On concarts and rugs, the 13,000 PA suction makes a noticeable difference, lifting embedded dirt and pet hair with ease. The DuoBrush system excels at picking up long hair, something that often causes problems for many robotic vacuums. We did test it on pet hair, and the results were impressive, with the vacuum collecting fur without leaving any behind. The mopping feature is a nice bonus, especially for homes with hard floors. You can adjust the water and suction levels for a customized clean, whether you're tackling spills, stains, or just everyday dust. The 350 milliliter water tank is sufficient for most cleaning tasks, and the 500 milliliter dustbin size ensures it can handle a full cleaning session without needing to be emptied too often. However, if you have a large space with lots of mess, you might find yourself emptying it more frequently. But that's the trade-off for the self-emptying feature. When it comes to usability, the D20 Plus is easy to set up and use. The mapping system is quick to generate and accurate in its layout of your space, so you won't have to deal with random cleaning paths. The vacuum moves around furniture with ease, and it's capable of getting under low-lying areas without much effort. The only issue we ran into was the vacuum occasionally struggling to navigate around very narrow spaces, which is something you may need to keep in mind if you have a lot of cluttered corners. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the D20 Plus offers great suction power, especially for its category. It's one of the more affordable robot vacuums that also includes a self-emptying feature, which makes life a lot easier. The DuoBrush system and smart mapping are big pluses, particularly if you have pets or multiple floors. The fact that it combines both vacuuming and mopping in one device is a huge time saver. The app and voice control options make it super convenient, and overall, it's a very quiet vacuum compared to many others on the market. On the flip side, the vacuum is relatively bulky for a robot model, so it might have trouble getting into the smallest corners. While the 5L dust bag is great for hands-free cleaning, it does mean you have to manage the bag's replacement every few months, depending on usage. Also, for larger homes or homes with a lot of carpets, you may need to keep an eye on the water tank or dustbin levels to avoid frequent emptying. As for value for money, the dreame D20 Plus hits a sweet spot. You're getting two functions, vacuuming and mopping, in one device, which can save you from needing separate machines. Considering its strong suction, the self-emptying dustbin, and the intelligent mapping features, this vacuum offers great value, especially for busy households. Competitors like the iRobot Roomba i7 Plus or Roborock S7 might offer similar features, but often come at a higher price point. For the price, the D20 Plus holds its own, offering performance that's on par with more expensive models. If we compare it to other vacuums in this price range, the D20 Plus stands out for its mopping feature and the self-emptying dustbin. However, if you don't need the mopping feature or the self-emptying capability, some of its competitors might offer better suction or a more compact design. Models like the Shark IQ Robot or the Ecovacs D-Bot N8 Plus might be better alternatives if you prioritize raw suction power or a slimmer profile for tight spaces. When it comes to build quality, the D20 Plus feels solid, with sturdy plastics that don't feel cheap. The brush rolls are easy to clean, and the self-emptying system works well without any jams. The battery life is decent, with enough charge to clean most homes in one session, and the filter is easy to maintain. It's a reliable vacuum that should stand the test of time. But as with all robot vacuums, occasional maintenance is necessary. Cleaning the brushes and filters regularly is key to keeping everything running smoothly. Customer support for dreame has generally been positive, with responsive service and a decent warranty. While we didn't have any direct issues with the vacuum, dreame has a solid reputation for handling customer queries, which is always a plus when buying tech like this. In conclusion, the dreame D20 Plus is a solid choice for anyone looking for a robot vacuum that does more than just vacuuming. It's packed with features like strong suction, DuoBrush pet hair technology, self-emptying capabilities, and a mopping function that can handle everyday cleaning tasks. It's perfect for pet owners, families, or anyone who wants a smart, hands-off cleaning experience. It's not perfect for narrow spaces or very large homes, but for the price, it offers excellent value. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that can truly handle it all, the dreame D20 Plus is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in the dreame D20 Plus, check out the link in the comments box below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future reviews. Drop a comment if you've used this vacuum or have any questions about it. Goodbye till next time. Keep your floors clean and your life a little easier.